Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we are going to tackle a classic aptitude quiz question. Your question is about finding the speed of the train. Imagine a train 150 meters long passing a pole. It takes the train 10 seconds to completely pass the pole. Can you guess how fast the train is moving? Don't worry if you are stuck. In this video, we will break down the problem step by step, using simple math and clear explanations. We will learn how to calculate the speed, convert units, and ultimately find the correct answer. So, buckle up and get ready for a fun and informative ride. So, let me repeat the question again with 4 options. Question is, a train 150 meters long passes a pole in 10 seconds. Find the speed of the train in kilometers per hour. Your options are A. 54 kilometers per hour, B. 36 kilometers per hour, C. 18 kilometers per hour, D. 48 kilometers per hour. So, let's solve this problem. In this problem, we need to find the speed of a train in kilometers per hour. We are given the following information. Length of the train is 150 meters. Time taken to pass a pole is 10 seconds. Our first step is to calculate the speed in meters per second. So, here we can use the formula, speed equals distance divided by time, to find the speed. Distance is equal to 150 meters. Time is equal to 10 seconds. We can calculate the speed by dividing the distance 150 meters by the time 10 seconds, which gives us 15 meters per second. Now, our second step is to convert speed from meters per second to kilometers per hour. We need to convert the speed from meters per second to kilometers per hour, which is a more common unit for measuring the speed. There are 1000 meters in 1 kilometer and 3600 seconds in 1 hour. Therefore, to convert from meters per second to kilometers per hour, we can use the following formula. Speed in kilometers per hour is equal to speed in meters per second multiplied by 1 kilometer per 1000 meters and then further multiplied by 3600 seconds per hour. Plugging in our values, we get speed in kilometers per hour equals 15 meters per second multiplied by 1 kilometer per 1000 meters and then further multiplied by 3600 seconds per hour, resulting in a speed of 54 kilometers per hour. Therefore, the speed of the train is 54 kilometers per hour. So, our correct answer is A. 54 kilometers per hour. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video on solving classic aptitude question. I hope you found the content helpful and informative. I know that aptitude tests can be tough, but with the right preparation, you can ace them. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. In the meantime, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more great content.